Now, if you've been trying to figure out what is Cerebro inside Helium-10, how to use it, what to use it for, how you can use it to increase your sales or to find more products to sell on Amazon, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the best ways to use Cerebro and also explain what exactly it is used for. I'm also going to demonstrate using this tool with these two products. We're going to find more keywords to use to sell these blue light glasses and this metal fidget toy, and essentially figure out what are the best keywords for this product as if I were about to launch it and which ones I want to use in the title, search terms, bullet points, etc. Real quick, my name is Mark. This is a brand new channel. If you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And if just one person subscribes to my channel from this video, I will continue to post about how to help you make more money on Amazon every week. Let's dive in. Real quick, if you're wanting to learn how to find more profitable products to sell on Amazon, I have a free guide that I will leave linked down below. It's a product research guide that I've used time and time again, and it will help you find more profitable products to sell on Amazon inside of this guide. And like I said, it's completely for free down below in the video description. So obviously we're going to be using Helium-10. And if you look at the top left of my screen, there are a lot of tools inside Helium-10, and this is actually going to be under the keyword research section. And actually the other name for it is the reverse product lookup, because essentially you're going to find one product to place into this tool and it'll extract all of the keywords that are describing and showing up for this product whenever someone searches for it. So let me show you. We are inside of the tool here, and essentially I'm going to paste in either the product name or the ASIN of the product, and then I'm going to click get competitors. But essentially what it's going to do is it's going to extract all of the keywords that show up for this product. And why does that matter? Because if you're wanting to sell a similar product, you want to figure out what are the best keywords that you can use inside of your product description, title, Amazon ads, etc., to help you rank higher and to get more search volume for your product. All right, so I found this product on Amazon, and I'm actually going to show you how to do this two separate ways. First is by just searching from an ASIN. So I have the product right here. It's these blue light glasses that I just got, and I will go ahead up to the URL, copy, go into Cerebro, paste, and then click get keywords. And we're going to run a new search. It's fetching data. And as I scroll down here, it showed 317 filtered keywords. Now, what are we going to do with this list? We want to look through these and find the top, I would say 10 to 50 keywords that we can save in our folder to use at a later date when we create our listing, when we launch the product, if we want to find other products with these keywords, etc. So how are we going to actually rank the best keywords from the lower? Okay, what I would do first is go to customize your columns right here, and I personally uncheck the majority of these, and then I just check keyword sales, Cerebro IQ score, organic rank, search volume trend, CPR, competing products, because those are the most important metrics to look at, in my opinion. You don't want to get confused or bombarded with unimportant information. Next, I like to slide search volume to the very left, followed by organic rank, and then followed by Cerebro IQ score. And why I want to look at organic rank is I want to see how easy it is to rank for that keyword. So for example, he's ranking on spot number 3 organically for blue light blocking glasses. That's a pretty solid keyword. That's a lot of demand. And it has a good Cerebro IQ score, which is essentially like the opportunity score. So what I can do is actually filter from the highest search volume down to the lowest. And we see that there's some keywords with a ton of search volume. Now, also, there's a lot of number of competing products, which means it's going to be harder to rank for the top of that product page. And also a good other metric to look at is CPR. That's essentially Helium-10 suggesting or guessing how many products you need to essentially give away over an 8-day period to rank to the top of page 1 for this keyword. So what I actually like to do is, if you want to filter down even more, go to competing products and filter out. You only want to find keywords that have at most, I would say, 30,000 competing products. And that's going to cut it down a little bit more. And if we want to, let's actually cut it down even more to 2,000. And then let's find keywords with still high search volume, but low competition essentially. So if we filter by highest search, highest demand, blue light glasses men, these are other glasses. It looks like it's like more for women. Gunner blue light glasses for computer eye strain. So we obviously want to only pick keywords that are applicable to our product. And so I personally like these top two. I like the blue light glasses for men. And in reality, you don't need to pick 50. You could probably get away with just like 10 or 13 or 15 to use for your product listing. And so obviously you find these gems, but you're like, well, I'm not ready to create my listing right now. What should I do? Go ahead and click all of them. And you can either add to a list. So save them in a folder. So I'm going to add to the list, create a new folder. And I'll do blue light, click save. Okay, so just save those 10. Or what you could do is if you're already launching and selling the product, you can add it to your keyword tracker to see where your product is ranking for that keyword. So that's the first way how you can use Cerebro, by just opening up the tool. The second way is by searching on Amazon for the product that you're looking to sell first. So let's say that I want to sell this metal fidget toy. So what I can actually do is go on Amazon. I'll type in metal fidget card toy. I think that's what this is. So then I'm going to open up X-Ray at the top right with Helium-10, and then we're actually going to pull out all of the information for the products all on this page, and to see how much revenue they're doing, how much sales a month in units, how many reviews they all have, see how they're actually doing. And what the goal is to pick 1, 2, maybe 3 individual listings that have a great revenue, but not necessarily a ton of reviews, because we could see that they are doing well. And so we want to essentially see how they're doing so well. So looking on here, what really stands out already, I would say, is this number 2 and even number 6. And also number 12. They all have under 300 reviews, very manageable, and they're doing pretty good in revenue. And so what we want to do is click 1 to 3, and then we're going to run Cerebro, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to pull out all of the product information for those keywords, for those products, and it's going to show us all of the keywords that all 3 of these products are using to rank to sell on Amazon. And so combined, it's going to pull out a ton of keywords. And so the same thing is, what we did before. We want to filter through all those keywords, filter ones that are actually applicable to the product, that are not applicable, really figure out which ones can we use to sell something similar, like with this metal fidget toy. And so as I'm looking through these keywords, like I said, we want them to be related to what I have in my hand. So first thing I'll do is, I don't really want to use a lot of keywords that are below, I would say like 500 as a start. So I'm going to apply those filters, and that number just dropped a ton. Next is, there's a lot of unnecessary information on here in terms of the columns. It's a little confusing. It's a little bit harder to read. So I'm going to deselect all of them, click keyword sales, search volume, IQ score, CPR, number of competing products, rank, position, and that's good. It's a little bit different when there's more than one product inside of this tool being used. And so same thing, I want to move search volume all the way over to the left, rank by high search volume down to the lowest. And I could see these are really good. So these are all pretty broad keywords. And we want keywords that are actually a little bit more specific, something that's called long tail keywords, something that's at least 2 words long and not just 1. And what I'm going to do is go to, word count. So I want to show all the keywords that have at least 2 words in there because that way it's going to rule out all unnecessary words like fidget or metal. Like we want at least fidget toy or something more specific than just one word, because some of those did not apply. So stress relief, fidget toys bulk, fidget gun, fidgets for adult fidget toys. All of these are really, really good. So once again, you want to find the product or the keywords that are most applicable to your to your product, and then save them in a file. So what I would personally do is with competing products, once again, I'm going to filter all the keywords that are above 10,000. And that will narrow down this list a little bit more, especially for keywords that are going to be a lot easier to launch for. I like all of these, so I'm going to click the box and then click adding to the list. Now, that's really the basics of Cerebro. You can do product research with Cerebro. You can, really just like optimize your listing over time with Cerebro. Now, there's the keyword tracker tool right there. If you've ever been curious on what is keyword tracker, how to use it, what to use it for, how to use it to your benefit, I have a video right here that I will link down below where I explain it from A to Z on how you can use it with your Amazon product.